The alcohol ban should be lifted with immediate effect.
Honorable member, this is not your mother's house. People are dying when you're busy missing Babala's bloody pooza face.
Withdraw that statement. Phuza face yokumunga. Udla imali yama-tax yethu nama-slay queen esentin. Zokhuluma umbhedo la. I will not tolerate this racism.
Racism? Member, don't use words you don't know how to spell. You're embarrassing yourself.
The only thing that is embarrassing is your talent to speak nonsense.
You see, I am not going to debate with a member that's fighting for the right to drink Black Label.
Point of order. Savannah. Really lungelo loseli Savannah.
Pooza face, come down.
Don't test me when a small boy. I will sort you out with great violence.
You failed sorting out getting a matric certificate. How will you manage me?
Withdraw that statement because those exams were very hard. In fact, I suspect they were racist.
Or perhaps, honorable member, you are a dumb cop.
Dumb cop mama.
Withdraw that. You are crossing the line now.